Alright guys, we got a 2001 Chevy Silverado that we have a broke handle on. Door handle. Got the new one. So we're going to take this door panel off and we're going to install this door handle. And if you want to see how this thing works, this is basically what happens there. Looks like it's held on with 3 studs. But you got to get to the inside of the door to be able to access it. And it looks like half the stuff's already removed on this thing. There's supposed to be a screw there. I don't see it. This piece is already snapped off. Normally you would snap this piece off. The lock trim is already off, so I think this piece here needs to come off. Looks like it comes off at the bottom. Two clips, and then you got that forward one, and that one. Looks like it's been off probably a couple dozen times. Pretty sure that's got to come off. But yeah, the main screw is supposed to be right there, but it's not. Anyway, let me get a camera set up here and we'll get started on this. And I don't even know if this is going to, yeah, it feels like it's going to have to. Yeah, maybe not. I mean, it does have connectors, but I thought there was a screw back in there. Of course, it looks like there's something that's broke out right there. Looks like there used to be a screw right here. So try not to break yours all to hell the way this one has been. Now, and you may have, okay, yeah, the light, you got a connector here that should be for a light, but the light's not in the door panel, so this door panel came off obviously a lot easier than most of them should. Let me get me a pad here. Kneeling pad's always nice to have. Let's see what it's going to take to get to this thing. Usually this little, yeah, so you got a 10mm right here. And then the others are probably just going to be by feel. I see one. Let me get this plastic out of my way. Try not to tear your plastic up. The plastic is your moisture barrier. You do want to have that as much as you can. You can see all the linkage inside there. Not a whole lot to it. That's for the lock. Get you a bird's eye view up in here. Hopefully that's kind of coming through, give you an idea of what you're looking at. So it's basically just going to be by feel. I'm just going to reach up in there and with a 10mm pull those out. This one will be through the door, and then the other two I'll just reach up in there and get those out. You guys are gonna love this. Poor guy's got a board holding his window up. Had I known that, I would have asked him if he wanted me to put a new regulator in it. Feels like just a 10mm ratchet wrench will be best on that one. That's the last one. I'm going to try to get this from outside here. You can see that there's the little rod, this little plastic rod. There we go. You've got the door lock that we're going to have to transfer over, and then this is the actual rod that opens and closes the or opens the door whenever you pull on the handle. And all you got to do is push it to the side like that. Pull that right out of there. And then you've got that one right there the same way. Trying to do this one-handed doesn't help, guys. But let me get this pushed over. Okay, see how that works. So now you just got a little clip that holds the lock cylinder into the plastic housing here. Looks like the new one comes with a new clip, so you don't have to worry about losing or breaking it. And let's see here, it looks like it's just gonna, you're just gonna get underneath it like this. It looks like just pull it straight up on it, then does the lock cylinder come out then? I don't know if that's got to actually be all the way off, or if that lock will actually pop out of there. Let me get a bird's eye view of this. Yeah, it should look. Yeah, I think it's supposed to pop out. But I think it'd actually be easier just to take the whole thing completely off. So that's what I'm going to do. I think theoretically it's supposed to, you're supposed to be able to pull up on it and pop it out, but yeah, it looks like that the little ears right here will stretch the spring out to where this will just snap right in. Looks like there's a little seal right there, so if I can remember how this goes. I think it goes like this. Oh, that seal just fell apart. So. There it is. Probably not the best view, but that's what we're going to go with. So I'm going to go with this bottom one first. Hopefully you can kind of see what's going on there. And I think this piece is in there. Yeah, they've got this piece in wrong. So I've got to pop it out of here. Put it in that way. That right there, I believe, is the way it came out. Hopefully you can get an idea of the way that is going in there. Once we get that in there like that, we're just going to double check and make sure that this thing is going to work. It looks like it is. Make sure his lock works. Yep. Okay. So now it's just a matter of putting the 10mm on there. You got one that if you got an extension, you can come straight in here. I don't know if you can see that one right in there. Focus. And then you got another one, you got to feel your way through it. Alright, now it's just a matter of throwing this door panel on the best we can. I'm going to go ahead and reposition his boards here to get this window up as high as I can, and then put this door panel back on. The main part of this video is replacing this door handle. Don't forget to put your plug in, and then that's it. Your door panel obviously is going to have some screws and stuff you're going to have to take out, so just be aware of that. Wasn't able to show that on this one because they were already all removed. Anyway, 2001 Silverado door handle replacement. And I bought a set of these door handles. I think they were under $30 for two of them, for one for the right and one for the left. The one on the right is fine, so I'm just going to hold on to it and just keep it in stock here, just in case one of these come in that needs a right hand one. Anyway, you guys take care.